of wonder, discovering bird beauties. Welcome to our exciting adventure in the wonderful world of birds. Our first feathered friend is the majestic swan. Swans are known for their elegant appearance and graceful movements. Look closely. Can you spot the tiny hummingbird? Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover in midair and fly backward. Who's perched up high? It's the wise owl. Owls are nocturnal creatures, which means they're most active at night. Keep your ears open. Can you spot the cheerful robin? Robins are famous for their beautiful songs, especially during the early morning. Look up high. It's the magnificent eagle soaring through the sky. Eagles are symbols of strength and freedom, ruling the skies with their impressive wingspan. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of birds. Join us next time for more exciting discoveries in nature.